snow with me?
Sure.
Let's go play in the snow.
Actually, I'm just gonna hang on to the tree. I like hanging on to trees. They're fun. But I'm gonna jump off. Hee. This is a fun. What? What do you want, owner? I'm walking away.
Do you want to find a snack?
No.
Do you want to get up in the tree?
No.
You want a snack?
No. I want to lay here like a savage.
What? What? Want to take a nap with me?
No.
Want to watch your favorite movie?
No. 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 Thank you for bringing me inside, owner.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Just, I don't know.
Is that better?
Nah, I'm gonna go somewhere else. I'm gonna go under here. Sophie, what do you got to say about this? Your cat just went under the bed.
Well, she can do whatever she wants. And I'm glad I'm on national news. But that's really good, because she can do whatever she wants.
Let's go talk to her. Let's go.